Malcha Marg, everyone's dream address, home to Delhi's most powerful, prestigious diplomats, bureaucrats, and whatnot. And you've got places like Fig at Malcha, Amor Bistro. For this kind of views and this kind of property, this is something which you deserve. This is a 375 square yard independent builder floor. This is the living room, which you call as drawing room. Here is the bar counter, very beautifully done, and this whole floor is done in Italian marble flooring, and you get centralized air conditioners in the complete house. Now let me show you the first room. Well guys, if I had to buy this home, I would choose this one as my bedroom because this is my personal favorite. I would love to wake up to such beautiful green views every morning. This is your attached washroom. We have got 4 washroom, 3 bedrooms in this home. Now let's come out and let's explore this complete home. Well, this is how you enter the drawing room. You've got a double door here for the drawing room. So this is very beautifully done, very vintage and classic. And now let me show you. So this is the entrance that we missed. This is your lift and this is your entry door, and the quality is superb. Now let me show you this beautiful and spacious kitchen. Now this kitchen is fully loaded. You've got your refrigerator, microwave, oven, chimney, the window for the ventilation. Look at the color, the dishwasher, double sink, very nicely done. You've also got the exhaust, and look at the false ceiling. We've got the AC over here also, तो आप सबको गर्मी की टेंशन नहीं होने वाली है. Now let me show you the 2 other rooms, but before showing you 2 other rooms, you've also got a powder room for the guests. Let me show you the second bedroom over here, guys. Very beautifully done. This whole house is very off-white and beige kind of interiors. Why I love this one also is because of the views that you get. Let me show you one thing. These are the Ashoka trees that you have also got at the back side. And अगर मैं इसकी सर्विस लेन भी चेक करवाऊँ आपको, तो इधर भी आपकी कार पार्क हो सकती है बहुत आराम से. बहुत ही वाइड एंड सूटेबल सर्विस लेन प्रोवाइड करी गई है यहाँ पे. एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो चेक दिस बालकनी, इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी मच ऑफ वाइड एंड स्पेशियस. सो सर्विस लेन पे मैंने इसलिए स्ट्रेस डाला बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट टू नो कि आपकी बैक साइड कैसी रहेगी घर की. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट बेडरूम. आई एम गोना शो यू द वॉशरूम ऑल्सो. तो वॉशरूम के अंदर आपको स्टोरेज दी गई है. यू हैव गॉट योर वार्डरोब्स इनसाइड द वॉशरूम, वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डन. इधर से हम चलते हैं आपके थर्ड बेडरूम की तरफ. This is your entire third bedroom. Now this is what a home in Malcha Marg looks like. This is what you get if you buy a property in Malcha Marg. Now this is your wardrobe. Now that is your washroom. I want you all to explore this home from this side, this perspective. I am standing here, I am watching the home over here. It looks so beautiful. It's quite well lit. हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा lights भी on नहीं करी है इसी पर्पस से, so that हम आपको natural sunlight दिखा सके इस घर में कितनी ज़्यादा आती है. So this is a 375 square yard independent builder floor available in Malcha Marg, which is park facing. It's having 3 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, and guys, only first floor is available in this whole building. So guys, do not miss this golden opportunity. All you people who want Malcha Marg as their address and are searching for a beautiful home, this one is for you. You've got 550 yards and 800 yards upcoming developments too. To get all those details, contact me on the number mentioned below and subscribe Real Estate with Alicia. Bye.